Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a breakfast adventure to discover the secrets behind everyone's favorite crispy friend, cornflakes. Ever wondered how those golden flakes get from farm to bowl? Buckle up, because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of cornflake manufacturing. It all begins here, in the vast cornfields where farmers meticulously grow and harvest the corn. But not just any corn will do for making cornflakes. Special varieties are selected for their quality and flavor. Factories specifically use a type called dent corn, chosen for its size and starch content. So, how does this corn get transformed into those delightful flakes? Let's break it down. Step 1. Kernel prepure. The corn arrives at the factory and gets a thorough cleaning to remove any unwanted debris. This ensures that only the purest cornmeal will be used in the production of our beloved cereal. Next, the kernels take a dip in a warm bath. Soaking softens them up, making them easier to grind later. Grinding and separating. After their spa treatment, the kernels head to the mills. Here they get crushed into a fine dough. This dough is then put through a special sifting process that separates the corn from the outer husks. Now we have our key ingredient, corn grits. These are coarse particles that will become the base of our flakes. Step 3. Cooking up a flake. The grits get mixed with a special flavoring solution, usually containing sugar, malt, and a pinch of salt. Then they take a ride in a giant pressure cooker where they steam and cook until nice and soft. This cooking process is crucial. It breaks down the starches in the corn, allowing them to gelatinize, which is what gives cornflakes their signature crispy texture. Step 4. Flaking out. Now comes the fun part, shaping the flakes. The cooked grits are fed through a flaking machine with giant rollers. Imagine a giant rolling pin flattening out Play-Doh. That's kind of what's happening here. The thickness of the rollers determines the size and thickness of the flakes. Step 5. Toasty time. The freshly formed flakes are then conveyed through a giant toaster oven. This toasting process dries out the flakes and gives them that beautiful golden brown color we all know and love. The toasting also helps develop that irresistible flavor we crave in our morning bowl. Step 6. Quality check and packaging. Finally, the finished cornflakes go through a rigorous quality check to ensure they meet all the standards for size, color, and crunch. Once they pass the test, they're whisked away to be packaged and shipped out to stores, ready to grace your breakfast table. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of how a humble corn kernel transforms into the crispy flakes that start our day. So next time you pour yourself a bowl of cornflakes, remember the amazing process that goes into making this breakfast time classic. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods.